When it comes to construction billing and job costing, CoConstruct and Knowify are two popular software options in the industry. But which one is really the best for your business? In this video, we'll break down their features, pros, cons, and the critical differences that could make or break your project management. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal a better alternative that I personally prefer after testing both. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's start with CoConstruct. It's known for being a top-tier software that helps manage everything from estimates to final payments. It's very much tailored towards custom home builders and remodelers, offering seamless integrations for project budgeting, client communication, and billing. The system includes customizable invoicing and budgeting tools, so you can track job costing in real time. However, one downside is its somewhat steep learning curve. If you're not familiar with software like this, you might find it a bit overwhelming at first. Additionally, while the pricing is transparent, it's on the higher end, which might deter smaller businesses. Next thing, let's talk about Knowify. Knowify, while also focused on construction job costing and billing, takes a slightly different approach. It's versatile, catering to both contractors and home builders, with strong focus on subcontractor management and change orders. Knowify shines when it comes to tracking expenses and managing job costing in detail. However, some users find the user interface a bit less intuitive compared to CoConstruct. Plus, some features, like the mobile app, are not as robust or user-friendly. If you're managing multiple projects and need detailed billing reports, Knowify might work better, but it does lack some of the customizations that CoConstruct offers, particularly when it comes to the flexibility of project management. The third thing to consider is integrations. CoConstruct offers some solid integrations, including QuickBooks and Xero, which makes it easier to manage finances. But it's worth noting that Knowify also has strong integration capabilities, including QuickBooks, and even has options for managing service work and tracking time cards. CoConstruct has a more comprehensive system for project management overall, but if you're looking for something that specifically excels in job costing and subcontractor tracking, Knowify may be the better choice for your needs. Now, let's talk about pricing. CoConstruct offers a monthly subscription model, and as I mentioned earlier, it's on the pricier side. Knowify is more affordable and offers a pay-as-you-go option, which is great if you're just starting or don't need something as comprehensive. The pricing difference might be a deciding factor depending on your business's budget, but it's important to weigh it against the features you actually need. The fifth thing to consider is customer support. CoConstruct has excellent customer service, with training resources, phone, and email support available. While Knowify also offers customer support, some users have reported slower response times and limited resources for in-depth training. So, which one is best for construction billing and job costing? CoConstruct and Knowify both have their strengths and weaknesses, but after testing both, I found that while CoConstruct offers a more all-inclusive, customizable experience for larger projects, Knowify has the edge for smaller businesses needing more straightforward job costing and expense tracking. But here's the catch: while both are good, I found an even better alternative. If you're looking for a software that blends the best features of both CoConstruct and Knowify, and at a better price point, then you need to check out the first link in the description below. After trying all of them myself, this one stood out as a more efficient and cost-effective solution for construction billing and job costing. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out. Click that link and see for yourself why this is the ultimate tool for managing construction projects more effectively.